This is Jerry, all the way from California. He's going to show us how to fix these. See this stuff here? He's going to show us how you fix it. He's got some masking tape. I don't know what he's going to do with it. Looks like he's going to mask it off.
Yeah.
That sounded dirty. Mask it off. What do you have here?
So basically, headlight restoration kit. It has some wipes that remove the oxidization. Then after, we sand it with some 2000 grit, then 30.
Really?
Yeah, and then it has some ceramic coating on it. So there's some ceramic coating wipes.
Wow.
That's gonna pretty much protect it afterwards.
How long does it take to do?
When I did it the first time, it took me like a good 2 hours.
Whoa. What about dinner?
I'll eat later.
So you've got to get that right on there, huh?
Yeah, because the wipe that removes the oxidization will like strip the paint.
Oh, so it's pretty strong.
Yeah,
And you did this on another car?
on my car.
And it worked good?
Yeah,
And you got that stuff on Amazon?
yeah,
Okay, so people can just go in and buy it on Amazon.
yeah.
We'll have to get a link to it. And so you go basically wherever there's car paint, you're going to cover it with that blue painting tape.
Yeah.
All right, excellent job. All right, now Madison's going to do the other one, but she's got to eat her salad
No, I
first.
can do it.
No, I got you. Trade you.
Are you going to do it?
Mm-hmm.
It's okay, I got it.
You eat this one.
This is homemade coleslaw. It's all vegan. Oh, look at that. She brought you something to eat. Is it good?
It's really good.
And Madison's going to tape this side up. We'll have our expert, though, check it out just to make sure. But I think she did a pretty good job, man. You got it right in there.
Might have done a better job than I did.
She's got it tight, uptight, and nice.
I got those nice nails protected
I
in.
don't have any nails. You just suck.
All right, looking good. Are we going to make it with that tape?
Yeah,
We got enough?
we got it.
Step 1, blow into your gloves. Step 2, slide them on.
Is there anything else I have to cover?
No, you should be fine because we're not gonna really be applying much here. Probably none at all, so you'll be fine.
All right, so you're going to open this up. All right, so that's it. Now you just start rubbing, right?
Yeah, and it's gonna turn yellow.
Oh, wow, it looks like it's already cleaning it off. Look at that. I mean, do you really need to do anything else?
Yeah, you do need the ceramic coating because if you don't use it, that your headlights will eventually just turn yellow again.
But with that, what you're doing right there, that cloth,
Yeah,
that basically cleaned it.
yeah.
And what is the chemical in that?
And that's
But it's super strong. You don't want to get that on your
skin.
skin. You don't want to breathe it. You don't want to drink it. You don't want to smoke it, snort it. None of that shit. Wow, that looks good. That looks really good. What a difference. Like, look at this light. Look at this light. And how long do you do? You just keep going with that, huh?
Yeah, until it turns fully yellow.
Until it completely turns yellow?
Yeah, the wipe itself.
Oh, the wipe. It's getting pretty yellow.
Yeah. And you're just gonna repeat this process. It comes with 4 for each headlight,
Uh-huh.
so 8 in total.
So you're going to do that 4 times.
Yeah. But with Madison doing that headlight, it'll go by a lot faster, the process.
So you have 4 of these that you have to do.
Yeah. I didn't know the wipe opened up that far.
That's what I was.
Yeah. I only do it like to the first fold. I don't think it really matters.
But you can already see how much clearer it looks just from one time. So you've got to do 4 times.
Yeah.
So Jerry, are you on your 4th one yet?
I'm on my 3rd one.
Oh, so you got 1 more to go. Yeah, you should see what a difference it is. I mean, it's already like,
Is it really lethal stuff or something? Probably.
it's really strong. Jerry, do
Should
you?
we be switching gloves?
No.
No, you're good. Unless you get a hole in your glove, then you definitely want to get a new glove.
I mean, you'll switch when we start sanding.
Okay, so now you're just going to rinse.
Gloves off?
Yeah.
And do you need any paper towels for that, or
No.
just rinse it?
Yeah. Just
Okay, we're going into the next phase. Tell us what we got to do.
So now we're gonna wet sand. It comes with 2 different types of sanding discs. Your burgundy is 2000 grit and your green is 3000 grit. So we're gonna start off with the burgundy since it's more abrasive. Then after we're done sanding, we're gonna hit it with the more finer sandpaper.
Okay, and that thing is what you're going to use?
Yeah.
So it's like it's some kind of adhesive?
No, it's more like,
Oh, Velcro.
yeah.
It's like a Velcro.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's cool.
You don't have to use it though. I mean, it's easier.
Definitely. All right, let's try it. So you start out with the purple,
Yeah, burgundy.
So mom has a mister, if that's okay.
and then we go a
That's
little
fine.
bit.
Whoops.
Oh, she broke
You
it.
want them for your face?
No.
The spray?
So we're gonna hit it with the burgundy sandpaper.
Okay.
We're gonna sand left to right or up and down. Don't do any
No
swirls.
circles. Okay. Side to side, up, down, but not anything else. Right?
Yeah.
Is this the right way?
Yeah. I'm just doing it by hand.
Oh.
You got the special hand thing.
What is it supposed to look like when you do it?
You want to wet sand it.
Did I already mess up?
So you're going to
You're
squirt
fine.
some water on it first and then sand it. All right, that looks good. And they give you 2 pads for each application.
Yeah.
And when you buy the kit, it's for both lights.
Yeah.
That would suck if it was just like one light. How's yours looking?
I don't know. I think I'm messing up.
Just up and down or left and right. I usually just go left and right.
So left and right is the way to go. And at the same time, you're squirting it with some water. So it's a
Yeah.
wet sand. So you don't want to start sanding unless you already put the water on, right?
Correct.
Okay. Needless to say, it is labor intensive, but both of these mechanics lift weights, so I think we're good. And Jerry, how do you know when you're finished with your one pad?
I don't.
You just get, it's like a feel?
Yeah.
Because I noticed like yours is really sudsy looking. Does it say to do it for a specific amount of time? I do not know. We're going to read up on it. It's always good to do that. Sometimes reading the directions is good. Most times not.
Says you could do it for 2 to 3 minutes. Be
Oh.
sure to keep the lens wet.
You've definitely done it for 2 or 3 minutes. Actually, it's 6 minutes and 53 seconds.
Okay. Or we can move on to the next disc.
Looks kind of foggy.
Yeah.
Is that how it always? Is that supposed to look that way?
Yeah, that's how mine looks.
All right, so they're going to take the tape off now. Okay, we got that off that one. And it may look kind of foggy, but that's how it is supposed to be. Apparently, that's what he said. I don't know. Maybe you could probably use a towel.
This was a lot faster having 2 people do the headlights.
Oh yeah, shoot, you'd have been out here all day. And so this is called Headlight Restoration Ceramic Clear Coat. Bam, let's do it. Notice he's wearing gloves so he doesn't, because it's probably poisonous. The Jer Bear is going. And explain what you're doing here.
So I'm gonna try to wipe it in one pass because you don't want to layer it.
One pass, no layering. Here we go. That you don't want to get in your lights.
I didn't. There's mosquitoes attacking his arms though, so I'm gonna get them out there.
Let him, oh shit.
It's okay. There's another one.
We got, oh no.
What if you just use the top of that?
Yeah, actually, that might work.
Did it fall peanut butter down?
Oh, there you go.
Look at that. Look how nice it looks. Oh my gosh. That really looks good, doesn't it? Oh my God, look at that. Looks like it's brand new. Isn't that amazing?
I can't wait to be able to see when I'm driving.
Well, you gotta open your eyes.
No.
Can't keep one eye closed. Wow, that came out great. I'm gonna have to buy some of this. Do my lights. See it, honey? Look.
And they said to not wipe too many times or something?
Yeah, they did, but
That's it
I
right
did
there.
for mine, and it still comes out fine.
Wow. I think that looks good just like that.
I think that's fantastic, Jer Bear.
Yeah.
I think you did a great job. Let's get the other light. Here's what the other light looks like.
It's completely.
There's a lot of mosquitoes here, so we're gonna cover them with a
Got
poison.
my leg, look.
Got you.
Oh, you can't really see it no
Oh,
more.
I see it. Shit.
And right there.
They're all
Oh,
in his
yeah.
arms.
All right, so again, he said what you want to do is just do a couple strokes. So he's going to go nice and clear and even all the way across.
Crazy.
Bam, look at that. See the difference here and here? Pretty amazing, isn't it? It's a ceramic coat.
His grays? Yeah, I know.
Oh, wow, that looks good. I mean, you could make a business out of this.
If Amazon didn't exist,
Well, think about it. You know, a lot of people don't want to do this.
I didn't want to do it.
You know what I mean?
That's why I have a boyfriend.
I know. They're good for something, right?
I hope.
Wow. All right, I think we did a good job. What do you guys think? Huh?
That's pretty dang good.
And Madison did this light. She did the sanding and everything. She didn't put the ceramic on.
He
but-
had to redo the sanding.
Yeah, but I think it would have been fine even if I didn't do it.
All right, let's take a look at this thing. This is an Avalon. It's a Toyota, one of the better cars that you could possibly buy. And I highly recommend getting one. I don't know about those tinted windows, but there it is.
That's what I need it for. Just
Looks like brand new, baby. Brand new.
it wasn't even.
All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos where we have Jerry do stuff and we make videos about it. And Madison, too. Don't hit him like that.
I'm
What are
not.
you
There's
do-
mosquitoes
He's trying to
bite
smack him? Look at that. Nice.